Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add space between two widgets in Elementor container in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and we are using two image widget. Now you see in column. Now you see edit container. So click on it. So we are going to add space between widgets or element. On left side you see layout, style, advanced, and then in layout you see multiple option, and then scroll down you see gaps, and then you see column or row, and also you see link value together. First uncheck this, and then you see px %em, so you can select value according to your requirement. So we are going to add space between elements. Now you see row, now add 20, now you see 20 px, and then add 40. Now you see, so it's up to you. So you can add value according to your requirement. So this is for desktop. Now you see gaps, and then you see desktop. If you want, you can set different space between different layout. Now select, and then you see mobile portrait, tablet. Now select mobile. Now in mobile layout you see 40 px gap between elements. Now you see row. Now again uncheck this value, and then you see 0, so you can add 20. Now you see, so you can add value for mobile layout according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.